Hello, Tamara here, nice of you to join me. And welcome to my channel. It's lovely to have you here with me today. I hope you're having a very good day wherever you are in the world. And welcome to this next installment in the Baby Bureau box and album project that we've been doing recently. So we're on the last page. Now, what I'd done in the last video was we did this page here. Now, after this page, we had two to do, but what I've decided to do is actually use this page layout again on the back. So I've used that there on my back page. So this page here is going to be quite a simple page. It's just going to be a page with a pocket on. But I wanted to film it so that I could, well, finish the book really. But there is a PDF cutting guide that you can download. The link will be in the description box down below, so don't forget to check that out for all the measurements. If you use it, the only thing I ask is that you become a subscriber of my channel and that you give me a comment and a like, and that way I can carry on still doing the tutorials for free. So the more people that subscribe, the longer I can go without having to charge, because it really does help me out. So as I say, we're just going to do this page here. So let's get on with the measurements. So for the page base, you will need to cut your pad and paper at 5 3/4 by 9. So that's your page. That's the only thing you need. Then the other thing is the pocket, and the pocket you're going to need to cut this at 6 3/8 by 4 inches, and you're going to score on one short edge and one long edge. Okay, you're going to score them at 1/2 inch. You're going to mitre the bottom corner where those two scored lines meet, and then on the mounting fold you're going to put your double-sided tape. Now if you want to, you could use your punches and give it a decorative edge, or if you've got some dies, you could use your dies to create a lovely decorative edge. But because I haven't done that in the rest of the book, I don't really want to do that on this page here. So first of all, let's go and stick our pop page down. Now, if you've inking your edges, don't forget to ink your edge. There we go. I think I've remembered 90% of the ones in this book. There we go. Okay, so we can stick that down. I do apologise if you hear any noise in the background. I've got my daughter home, and she's doing some renovating work in her bedroom. She's taking some furniture down and things, so I do apologise if you can hear drills going and things. Okay, so let's stick this on. Now if you're running short on paper, you didn't need to go right down to the bottom of this page, because obviously that's where our pocket's going to go. But if you aren't putting, there we go, just push that down like so. Now what we could have done actually, which I'm going to do, sorry, just take that off there because I want to put my pocket underneath. Oh, I'll get this right in a moment. I'm just going to mitre that top corner of that glue tab. Take the double-sided off and slip it underneath that paper like so. I don't make things easy. There we are. There we go. I've just managed to get that under there. So we've got this open end here, which I was going to, and I'm going to use your construction tape just to close that end off. I'm just going to give that a nice straight edge. And okay, and then this tape can get put into the open end of the top pocket. Like so. And then that sort of makes that so you haven't got too much bulk then. There we are. Okay, so that's then our pocket. So we need to cover this, and you need to cut this at, right, so for your pattern paper, for your pocket, you need to cut this at 5 3/4 by 3 3/8. So that's a little better, although this is possibly a bit too short, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to fix that. That doesn't look too bad actually, I quite like the look of that. Just move that down. I might put a little border on top, along the top there. Okay, so ink your edges. And put that right as near to the bottom as, and just leaving that 1/4 inch, sorry, 1/8 of an inch gap around. And then this I'm going to put maybe a line of something, and then that can just fit along the top there, and then I'll put a black line around that just for that tiny piece. I didn't want to cut into another piece of cardstock. So then you can just bring in your black cardstock and just do a 1/8 of an inch strip of card at 5 3/4. Like so. And then that can go on there, then it just hides that then. Like so. And then that's our pocket in there. So then we can just go ahead and do some tags. That'll be okay. So we've got a few tags in there that we can then decorate using our corner punches. So I'm going to decorate the top edge of these. Now again, you can just use your offcut of cardstock that you've got. You don't have to have the same measurements as me for those. It's just really what you've got left, and using all those bits up so that we've then got hardly any waste. There we go. So that's then my tags done, and then they can either just get put on with a paper clip on like so. So it sort of gives it another bit of a dimension there, and that, and that. And then if you wanted to put something on here, you could put a little tuck spot in there for some smaller tags. Actually, should we do that? So let's do our little tuck spot. So This measures 1 3/8, and then it's going to be by 5 3/4. So then your patterned paper will be 5 5/8 by 1 1/4. So that's going to be your card, your pattern paper on there. So then we just add this, put our glue on like so. Just need to move that one up a bit, and we can put that on there like so. Now you can either have it where it's a tuck spot where it opens fully. In that case you probably need this or something down here to hold them in, or you can do it where you just put your double-sided tape just along the bottom, and you just use it as like like a tuck spot. So take that off and put it about there like so. Finish it down, and then you've just got a tuck spot like so, and then they will stay in there, they won't come out. And then on here you can get your little cutter parts and your stickers. What have we got left? I need some for my box, but we could have the little polar bear. Little bear, he looks quite nice. We could have him in the middle like that. There you go, put him down. So take that off because I don't need that now. So that can become a little tuck. Okay, so that then is all of our pages completed in our book. So we go from the front. So this was the front one that we did with the little envelope, and then the pull up, and then this one, these come out, and then our little file in there, and then we've got our open up hidden file with lots of tags. And then we've got this one here that opens out, and then this comes off as well, so you've got another place there for photos, and obviously a little tag as well. And then so you can put a photograph behind there, 2 photos on there, and then this one also comes down, and you've got another photo spot, journaling spot, just keeps it closed. And then a tag here as well. So pulling that over, then you've got your open pocket there that's got more tags in, and your acetate pocket, a photo spot here, photo spot there, photo spot here, journaling photo spot in a little tag, in a little pocket there. And then you can open this out, big photo mat there, and then you've got photo mats there, and then another one that you can put some photo mats on that side in that little tuck spot there. And then that all then fits in our pocket like so. And then we've got our little booklet, box booklet I think I call this, but we can pull out. We've got pocket on the front, tags, photo, so some little tiny tags there in a little tuck spot. So we've got photo mats, big photo mat there you can put inside, journaling photos. Again, more spaces for photos and journaling, etc. Big one on the back. And then in the middle here, you've got that one that you can pull out. That goes in like so. So then that goes in there. And open up. Then we've just got our plain page. And sometimes plain simple pages are you know, as just as nice, really. They really are. So this one is just a pocket with a tuck spot, some tags, which we will decorate, which you can put your photos on, etc. And then we come on to the 7th page, which is the same as page number 4, with our diagonal pockets there, with our little tags in, like so. And then we can open it up, big photo mat there, some pockets here with some photos in that you can put in. And then there's our secret page that I've just added some pockets to put our photos in. And then pull it out, and then I will decorate this with some photo mats as well. And again on the back page here. And then on the back is the same as page number 3, which it's got that big photo mat at the top. And then you can open out and you can put some journaling extra photos in. Thanks again for watching. I really hope you've enjoyed that quick video, and you will subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell as well as give me a thumbs up and a like. It really helps with my algorithm on YouTube. If you do that, it doesn't always work if you just subscribe. So, you know, if you can do all those 3 things, I will thank you. Come and follow me on all social medias. I'm on there quite regularly, so and I post different things as well on there, so please come and say hi on those as well. So thanks again for watching. Please enjoy the rest of your day, and I will see you very, very soon. Bye.